Dear subscribers, they will tell you so how to create account on FlutterFlow. So for doing that, let's just tap here. After, you just need to tap on start for free. Here you can also just choose your account. After, you can also just write your name. It's optional. Also email address, you just need to write it. And also your password and your and just confirm your password. So after, you just need to tap here and just choose create account. So here you can also just close it, just tap on start tutorial. So for now, you can also just start using FlutterFlow. So thanks for watching, goodbye.